If you are using Windows 11, this is something very important you should check. Windows has a feature that saves what you copy and paste. Most of people don't know it's turned on by default. Whenever you copy text, Windows can save it, not just for a moment, but as a list. This can include your credit card, bank details, your address, password, messages, or the other information. This can be helpful, but it's not good for privacy, especially if your sensitive data is being synced to the Microsoft cloud. Before turning this feature off, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and focuses on built-in Windows 11 setting. You can decide what changes you want to make. Please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. At your Windows 11 desktop, if you press Windows key plus V, you will see all the details that are being copied here. This feature is called clipboard history. And here is the important point that this data is being copied to the Microsoft cloud. That means your sensitive documents, emails, credit card history, account number, or any bank detail are being synced and copied to Microsoft Cloud. Now, here are the exact steps to disable it. Go to your search bar and type clipboard settings. Open up the clipboard settings. We want to toggle off clipboard history. Before turning this feature off, if you want to clear your current data, just go ahead and press Windows plus V key again, and here you will find all of the data. If you want to clear all, just go ahead and click on Clear All to clear all this data. Or if you want to remove any specific item from the list, you could do it like this way. Just go ahead and click on these three dots and click on Delete button. Let's go ahead and clear all of the data. Now, in the next step, we want to verify that Cloud Sync is disabled and data is not being synced to the cloud. In the same settings menu, please go ahead and click on Accounts. Then scroll down and we want to go to Windows Backup here. Here, please expand Remember My Preferences and we want to uncheck this option Other Windows Settings. Now your clipboard works the way it should, temporary, local, and private. These small changes significantly reduce unnecessary data collection in Windows 11. If this video helps you to protect your privacy, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK. And comment below and tell me which Windows feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.